there, welcome to Native Camp. My name is Jevi and I am 23 years of age, and I am from the Philippines. Well, I graduated as a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. I would really say that learning the English language is so much fun, and I've been teaching English for about 1 year and 2 months already. Are you having a hard time learning the English language? Worry no more, because I am here willing to help you and facilitate you when it comes to learning the language. So, I hope to see you in my class.